it felt na parang, alam mo yun, I can tackle na yung mga social media, yung lead gen system ko when it comes to Instagram. Kasi nung una litong-lito ako talaga how to go about social media marketing for my agency. So yun, with her help, natulungan niya talaga ako, and I would recommend this strategy call sa ibang business owners, maybe agency owner ka, solo freelancer who wants to get more leads and clients.
The customized strategy provided me clear direction and structure for my social media growth. Having this detailed roadmap, nag-help siya para mawala or ma-eliminate nga yung mga guesswork, yung mga hindi ko pa alam, or yung mga iniisip ko lang na, gagawin ko ba to or hindi. So now, it gave me so much confidence in executing each step of the plan that Gable provided and created for me. So it was very it gave me confidence then, and I'm very happy and very excited to do my next steps for my social media growth.
But I know myself na I'm just posting for the sake of showing up. Like, kung ano yung maisip kong content ngayon, gagawin ko siya or isushoot ko siya today, and then ipopost ko din siya that day. So basically, there's no strategies in order for me to increase my brand awareness or even attract potential clients. Also, a quick realization din, like, hindi ka pala talaga mauubusan ng content, no? You just have to have like the right strategy.
And yung strategy niya, iba talaga. And it also pushes me to really be more specific on my own term. And I was really confident in a way that I'm ready to take more clients and provide more value to other people and business owners as well. And I would personally recommend Jubel kasi bukod sa strategy and the things that she has helped me, she is a very nice person.